It's Kirsty here. Huge congratulations on registering for the webinar. I cannot wait to see you. It is such a strong, smart decision for yourself, but also for the salon and business. Okay, here is what you need to do next. Number one, check your inbox for the confirmation email with all the details about the webinar and make sure that you have that. Number two, straight to your calendar and to your treatment booking system and book it in and book me in as if I am a client. I know how tempting it always is to override training and development for yourself with paying clients. So make me the client and lock it in. I promise you it will be worth it. And then number three, on the day of the webinar, make sure you've got a notebook and a pen, because I will be giving you immediately things you can action and make real differences in the business. Something important, you need to turn up to the live streaming webinar, because I have an extra special bonus, a free gift for anyone who joins live. I'm not going to tell you what it is now, but I promise you it'll be worth it and super helpful to creating your client journey and improving the salon. Let me leave you with this. Most salons and salon owners never fulfill their potential. They are caught, trapped in a ridiculously competitive market, dealing with all the salons around them, probably offering similar things, similar price points in this kind of competitive hamster wheel. The minute you step out of that and create your own unique DNA and why for the building, the business, and for you, and really develop client journeys and experiences and completely change that mindset, then clients stop comparing and they start choosing you. And that is where the differences really start to come. And that is what this webinar is going to be about. And that's exactly what I'll be teaching. So check your inbox, and I cannot wait to see you there live.